If you want to create a profitable ebook that sells like a rocket, so follow me in this video. And first and foremost, why people want to read some ebooks? For sure, there are different reasons. The first one, for getting some information or knowledge about a specific point. Number two, for entertainment. Number three, for finding a solution to a specific problem they are encountering. So, to make your own successful ebook, don't rush to create your ebook based on idea that comes in your mind. And instead, just you can go to the end of this way. Why people want to read your ebook in particular. So now how we can know the information or these topics people are looking for to read about in your ebook, either for entertainment, getting information, and so on. And here you can go to a specific place that you can find tens or even hundreds of these ideas for your profitable ebook. For sure is google.com. For example, if you go to Google and if you're interested in the camping niche, so I can type something like camping for beginners. And now we can scroll to a specific gold mine here on Google itself. That is, people also ask. Here you can find the most pressing questions people are asking on a daily basis. What questions bug in your audience and that keep them up at the night? Like this one, what do I need for camping as a beginner? What are the 7 C's of camping, and etc. So here you can build your own profitable ebook or any other valuable content asset based on these questions. People really wanna need a specific solution or something else. And for sure, if you can click over these questions, here you can find many of these questions would show up. So here you can make your ebook that gathers some amazing questions here from people also ask section. But for sure, the manual way here to get some questions here to create your ebook is a grunting way, because you don't know what trending now regarding this niche. People are looking and searching for a good and valuable ebook to read about. So for that, I just build for you an amazing system that helps you more and save your time and effort to create your own content from these hot and trending questions in any niche you can think of. And that system says QueryProfitVault. And for sure, I just leave its link down below in the description box in the first comment. Here in this amazing system, here you can select a niche, and you can find tens of these niches, highly demanded niches currently. So including swimming, skincare, trading, wedding planning, women over 40, and so on and so forth. And for sure you can find over 90 hot trending niches. And here, as for this one, for example, camping, just you can select your topic here. Here you can find tens of these hot trending topics, like this one, camping tips for kids, gear for minimalistic campers, best camping applications for navigation and weather, and etc. So here you can just put your hand on the specific trending topics, so you can focus right now how you can create your own content, or in our case, your profitable ebook. So for example, I just make your ebook about the how to camp with pets. For sure, it's an outstanding topic. For sure, doesn't come up in your mind, so you can make an ebook with low competition, sales very good. So for example, I just go to this one, how to camp with pets, for example, and now you can click over this button, open guide. Then you can find here your tree-like format that shows you all these questions people are already asking on Google on a daily basis. Like this one, as for parenting question, like how to camp with pets. Here you can find some branches like this one, where should my dog sleep when camping, how to keep dogs calm when camping, can cats be taken camping, and so on and so forth. Tens of these questions to build your own content and your specific successful ebook. So now for sure you can find in this tree-like format. Here you can find an easy way to navigate all these questions, okay, to make tens of these ebooks around this specific niche or this specific topic. So here you can make this vertical view, okay, and then zoom in, zoom out as you want, for dark mode, for compacted as you observe. So for example, here if you want to create an ebook, for sure I just want to focus only on this one, likely for dog. How to keep dogs calm when camping. So simply here we can take some examples like these questions, okay, and just copy, Control C, and now it's time to build your own ebook specific for this specific micro niche. So now we can head over to ChatGPT, and now we can insert these questions as they are and ask ChatGPT to give me an outline to create an ebook about these sections. So here, like insert here, Control V, and give me out these questions as chapters for each. So now click over enter, and just in few seconds here ChatGPT gives you this entire outline of your ebook based on your questions as you see, like this one, introduction, and as for one, can dogs sleep in a tent, when does a dog sleep when camping, and so on and so forth as you see. Therefore it's time now to the next step. Here you can expand every single chapter to answer this question in details based on these points. So for example, I'll just take this one, or simply you can, okay, now write for me the entire chapter number 1, okay. Here you can find ChatGPT would craft for you this specific amazing chapter regarding your own question. So people, just you can give them valuable content and valuable answers in your ebook they are looking for, and give them some information regarding camping with pets, camping with dogs, and so on. So here you can go through a low competition niche. That way you can depend on your manual research on Google search results. Google people also ask questions, or you can simply, and for your time and your effort, go to this system, QueryProfitVault. It's linked down below in the description box in the first comment. Then you can get all these chapters for your ebook. So now it's time to customize these chapters in a good form in canva.com. So now you can head over to canva.com, and here on Canva just you can search for something like pets or camping, for example, camping ebook. And then you can search for different amazing templates here regarding your niche and your topic as you observe. And for sure you can go for these ones. You can customize them, fonts, colors, and so on. Copy paste from ChatGPT or from your own experience as you want, as you like. Then you can find your ebook ready to go on different websites like Gumroad, Amazon, and so on. And for sure I'll just leave down below in the description box a link of the best websites where you can sell your digital items completely for free. So that way you can make your own profitable ebook that sells like a rocket in any niche you are interested in. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.